Hello, this is Dr. Gary O'Neill with Take 5 with Greek Grammar 1, where we encourage you to take 5 minutes every day to review your Greek grammar so that you'll be able to use it for a lifetime. We have been looking at and translating some simple Greek sentences. Today we're going to change and do something a little different and start looking at some of the vocabulary words that you are learning. So this is the Greek word angelos, angelos. And if you have already begun learning your Greek vocabulary, you may know that this word means angel or messenger, depending upon the context, which one would fit correctly for the context. So angelos, angelou, ha. Can you say the Greek letters that make up this word? You should know that this first letter is alpha, and then we have a gamma and another gamma, epsilon, lambda, omicron, and sigma. Notice that is the final sigma. Remember that there are 2 sigmas. If you have the line you're writing on here, the final sigma goes below the line, while the regular sigma does not go below the line, and they're shaped a little differently. So notice that difference there. This is the final sigma that comes when a sigma ends a word. You will have that final sigma like that. Okay? So one other thing to point out is that we have a gamma together here. And when a gamma comes together, it makes an NG sound. Angelos, angelos. Okay? Note again our breathing mark and our accent mark. So that means that the smooth breathing mark, this doesn't change the pronunciation in any way. The accent mark tells us that this syllable, the first syllable, is the one that will receive the stress when we pronounce it, angelos. Now, you may be wondering what this ending is here. You have angelos and then a comma and 2 other things. Well, let's talk about them. The way that Greek vocabulary words and the way you'll find Greek words in a lexicon or a Greek dictionary is that it will have the nominative word, which is what that omicron sigma on the end points out in this word, that this is the nominative, and then it'll have the ending for the genitive. Now, you've not got into the nominative and the genitive yet, so don't worry about that. But just understand that Greek words change their forms. And so you will need to know not only angelos, you need to know angelos, angelou, ha. So this Greek word is angelos, angelou, but instead of writing both of them out like that, since the first part is the same, they just take the last part, the ending of the word, they put a comma, the dash, and that ending. So when you learn this, learn it as angelos, angelou. Don't try to learn it as angelos, oo. Learn it as angelos, angelou. And then the last thing you see out here on the end is a word that you're familiar with, right? That is the article. So we would translate that the. But the reason that this is out here like that is to show that this is the masculine case. So ha is a masculine article, which means the, but here is just showing that this is a masculine word. If it were hey, it would be a feminine word. If it were ta, it would be a neuter word. Okay, so this is angelos, angelou, ha, angel, messenger. All right, that's it for today. Hope you are continuing to learn. We'll see you next time on Take 5 with Greek Grammar 1.